Hey folks, this is the first video that deals with inverse functions in chapter 6. And I want to talk about the definition of one-to-one. I have two different definitions. One is a little easier to understand and one's a little bit more mathematical. The first definition, the one that's a little easier to understand, for a graph to be one-to-one, it must pass the horizontal line test. And the embedded question for this video is going to be, where else have you seen a test that sounds a lot like that test? What did it test for and what was the test? The second thing is the mathematical definition for one-to-one. And you'll notice here that I've drawn a picture of the parent y equals x squared, or quadratic. This does not pass the horizontal line test, so this is a negative example. This guy is not one-to-one, and I wanted to show you a little bit more mathematical definition of one-to-one. And so this definition says that if my x value a does not equal my x value b, then the y value at a, f of a, should not equal the y value at b. So in this example, you'll see that I've marked two coordinates. One of them is the coordinate 1, 1, and the second one is the coordinate -1, +1. Notice that my x values are not equal to each other. So I've met that requirement of the mathematical definition of one-to-one. However, I have not met the second part of that. My y values are equal to each other. So that's another way of showing that this particular graph is not one-to-one.